Right, I'm going to talk you through the process of saving a zip file or compressed file containing SVG files onto your computer, extracting the SVG files, loading one into Design Space and resizing it to the right scale. So find your zip file and click on there. Browse to the location where you'd like to save the zip file. You might want to create a new folder, so click on there to create a new folder, give it a name, hit enter again and click save. So then open File Explorer, there's the new folder we created, double click that, there's the zip file saved into that folder, right click the file and choose Extract All, leave the default location as it is because that'll extract the files to the same folder, and click Extract. And there are the SVGs extracted and saved into that folder. So if we now go to Design Space, on a blank canvas, click Upload, Upload Image, Browse, find the SVG you want to upload, double click, hit save, click on the image and insert images. You may need to reposition the image into the top left corner. Then click on the eye at the top to hide everything, but click on this one for the square to show it. Make sure you're working in inches, so click on the top left here, settings, and make sure your units are imperial. Click on the square, make sure your aspect ratio is locked, so this little padlock, make sure that's locked. Highlight the width, change it to 1, press tab, and the height is automatically changed to 1 as well. So there we've got 1 inch, 1 inch. So that will ensure all of the shapes in the image are sized to the right size. So click this eye again at the top, so that hides everything. Click it again to show everything, but then click the square eye to hide the square, because you don't want to be printing or cutting that. Then you're ready to make it.